Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can rename a component in your app projects you create on Adalo App Builder. So let us dive into this. Head over to the Adalo App Builder. Let me just zoom into one of these example screens here. So it depends guys, whether you would like to, for instance, change the text content of the given component. If it's for example a header or let's say a button, you will need to access the component settings of the given component, click into it, and here you will see the text field. So you may change it, for example, to, I don't know, example, right? But there's also the option to, for organizing purposes, for instance, to rename the component itself. To do that, click into the pencil button next to the given component and rename it below. Click into done here. And that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.